Umang mo ni.
Uy.
Deh, kuat. Bukan deh.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror. So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me. And honestly, I'm not
Dai,
really
kuha
sure
mo,
I
Dave.
want saving. I like to be my own
Coba
worst
nak.
enemy. There's no risk if you don't try anything.
Hah?
So I'ma just keep buying everything.
Bisa sing.
Doing the next
Ito ka nanay, ka nanay nana.
Don't think that my
Ka
head's on
nanay
straight.
nana.
Gotta flip it and grip it and
Di
go
ba
and get
lasing?
an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight.
Umang mo ni.
And it squeeze till I suffocate. Gonna change my mindset, meditate.
Umang mo ni.
Pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I
Uy.
could walk through here, I should celebrate. I could change
Umang mo na, di mo na makaon.
Ayaw mo, manilaga.
Alaga. Alaga rin na day. Kami lang sudano na nimo. Alagaon ra, dili na sudanon daw. Umang na, di mo sudan.
Yeah, that's all right, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's living in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay.
Alagaan ni mo
But I
na
just wanna
na.
be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me.
Ikot man ka
I
dali
think it's different for
Ibalik di mo na ko tanan.
others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want.
Dalo mo balay.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
Mawak din.
Bidaw, yan na dos kamot daw.
All I need are some better days.
Wow.
Cause all I want, and I pray.
Nabanggit mo.
In a better day, living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought in.